Hey, YouTubers, more Robb Moffat. Guys, today we're going to do a little experiment. I don't know how it's going to turn out. We're going to see how quickly we can cook an egg. Now, why would we want to do that? Well, you know, the quicker you cook something with the least heat, the more nutrients you have left over. And when you cook something on high heat for a long time, you just sort of cook out a lot of the good stuff that's in there. Now, I'm going to be using a microwave. Before you start screaming and tearing your hair out, there's been many studies that's shown that microwave steamed vegetables are probably one of the healthiest ways you can cook vegetables because you don't have really high heat and you cook them for a very short period of time. So there's very little nutrients lost. So steaming microwave vegetables in many instances for many vegetables leaves you with the most nutrients. So will we do the same thing with eggs? I have no idea. I'm not a scientist. I have no laboratory. Well, I do, but we won't talk about that. But we're going to put this in the microwave. I'm thinking for 35 seconds. You know what? Make it 40. 40 days and 40 nights since my baby's been away. Okay, we're going to put this in the microwave. You're going to count down. And while we're putting it in the microwave cooking, we're going to be preparing the rest of the meal. So don't go away. Okay. Ready, go. Now it's a 1 minute timer. So I'll stop at 40 seconds. And in the meantime, make us a little meal. Going to put on a little bit of mustard, a little bit of American salsa. Now, these vegetables, this came from the store, but the rest of them came from my balcony. There's some nice lettuce. Here's some cranberry, hibiscus, and some parsley. Giant parsley. Dun, 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 dun. It's giant parsley. And you know what? Let's throw in some cheddar, some shredded cheddar. We're done. That was, oh, dang it. I lied. It went to 60 seconds. Son of a gun. It went too long. Hold the horses. Okay. This was cooked, but this was 1 minute. We don't want 1 minute. We want 40 seconds. Let's cook it again. Another egg. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the Augusta Fairway, and apparently Robert Moffat didn't pay attention to the time, so he didn't get off to a good shot. Looks like a long fairway. I don't know if he's going to be able to do it and still talk at the same time. Apparently he's having difficulty talking and doing things at the same time. We're not sure if this is going to be a problem in the future, but we're going to continue working with him here on ABC Wild World of Sports. And now 40 seconds. Oh, forgot the lid. Just seeing if you're paying attention at home. Here we go. So, while we're waiting 40 seconds, we could do a magic trick. No, we won't do that anymore. Forget about that. Have I told you about my chia? Okay, we're down to 30 seconds. Another 10 seconds ago. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh yeah. Nice and fluffy. I bet we could do 30 seconds. I know we could do 30 seconds. Well, you know what? I don't know if you guys are going to hang in there to watch me do 30 seconds, but we did 40 seconds today. We will come back at a later date and do 29 seconds. We'll We'll do 27.3 seconds. 27.3 seconds. So, can we get a photo? I forgot the pickles. Giant parsley. Dun, 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 dun.